Always waking up with the same ambitions, making this my living. Take this pen and write what I'm thinking, hop in the booth, start spitting. I've had enough of not having bucks, so I need to make some riches. They know I'm broken, that ain't a joke, but I'm still attracting these bitches. Fly as hell in my old ass clothes, but I know my flow gon' make dough. Check us out when we riding slow, in that photo just blowing dro. Brainstorming up, make that money. Haters act like we acting funny. Spit these flames, light them up like a Dutchie, talking shit, but they ain't gon' touch me. March to the field like soldiers, cause anybody front, it's over. Crushing enemies like a rolling boulder, blowing up young while they getting older. Bent them up like they doing yoga, pin slapping bitches, put them in a coma. Hot box the whip, inhale that aroma, staying on the load and strike like a cobra. Check.
Talking about luxury, no, I'ma get it. I've been in the game for a minute since back in the day when Bird would play. R.I.P. my boy Lay. Fly with the angels every day. We here praying to make a change. We ain't playing, I ain't gotta say a goddamn thing. We on our way, and where we going, we don't know. Right to the cash, we don't come last. Yeah, we come last, only for her. I'm the truth, and the truth is hard to swallow. She only took half.
That's